Today, we're cooking one of the most beloved Italian classics, spaghetti al pomodoro. A simple, fresh, and flavorful dish that captures the true essence of Italian cuisine. For this recipe, we'll need just a few simple, fresh ingredients. Spaghetti, the heart of this recipe, fresh tomatoes, full of sweetness and flavor, cherry tomatoes for that extra touch of freshness and color, extra virgin olive oil, then our classic sofrito, carrots, onion, and celery, the foundation of flavor in so many Italian sauces. And finally, just a pinch of salt to bring everything together. Take one celery stalk and slice it very finely. Its fresh, delicate flavor will give a lovely aroma to the sauce. Then carrot. Peel it and chop it into small, even pieces. Next, I finally chop onion. This will melt into the sauce and give it that comforting flavor. And finally, I cut fresh tomatoes, juicy and full of flavor. In a large pan, heat some extra virgin olive oil and add the celery, carrots, and onion. Let them saute gently for a few minutes until soft and aromatic. Then add the chopped fresh tomatoes and cook everything together until the vegetables are tender. When the base is ready, transfer everything to a blender and blend until smooth. Now pour the sauce through a fine strainer back into the same pan. This keeps only the creamy part of the sauce. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half or quarters. And add to the pan. Season with a little salt and let the sauce simmer gently for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, cook the spaghetti in salted water. Add the spaghetti into the pan with the tomato sauce and toss gently. Turn off the heat and add some grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well until the pasta is perfectly creamy. And there you have it, your spaghetti al pomodoro. Simple, smooth, and full of the Italian taste. Buon appetito and see you next time here in Together in Our Italian Kitchen.